Come on. What can you say about the movie?
Inspiring.
Inspiring because? Dora, please, later on. Listen to her. Okay, so what can you say about the movie?
Parang pinagdaanan ko na din.
What? Can you please louder your voice?
Parang pinagdaanan ko na din.
I see, okay. And then?
Yun na lang.
No, that's so short. What can you say about the movie? Come on, guys.
Maganda siya.
Kasi?
Maganda yung kanta.
Please louder your voice. Kasi?
Maganda yung movie. Maganda yung sound effect. Then, I'm so in love.
Okay, I'll be back with you. And how about you? What can you say, finalist number 4?
It's a very heartbreaking story.
Hold on. Guys, just in case you want to say about the movie, the highlights, do not divulge the character's name or the identity of the characters. Do not be a spoiler alert. You can say, I want these characters, I love these characters, I hate these characters. Please don't tell to the viewers. Do not divulge the story. Do not be a spoiler alert, okay? Make them guess what we are talking about, what we are saying about this movie. Okay, so let's go back with you.
It's a heartbreaking story.
Please louder your voice. Thank you.
I believe that yung pinaka-masakit pong love story is the one na there's hope but at the same time there's not. And sa part na kahit mahal niyo yung isa't isa, it's really hard to get back together, especially if parehas kayong nauubos since every one of us should also take care of ourselves, not just the others. Muntik na po ako maiyak doon.
Well, why not make it? You can express your feelings. Well, actually, it's okay not for you to cry because you know how to control yourself. But it's okay. It's still a kind of healthy feeling. And then?
Even though I haven't experienced that, na-feel ko po talaga yung emotions ng characters and the cast were very good at acting.
Yes.
And some of the scenes are very real to life experiences and I've learned a lot of lessons from it, especially taking care of yourself and not kapag hindi na po talaga kaya, wag na po natin piliin.
Yes. That's the main reason. That's why there are some heartaches, there's some broken relationships, and they keep on dwelling instead of moving on. I agree with you.
And lastly po, natutunan ko rin na we should not give up on other people, especially po if like they're on the brink of like po sila, very nasa baba po sila, very very
sige, you can make it.
Mahina pa po yung loob nila kasi
yes.
The time will come po na they will also realize it themselves as long as andun po tayo para supportahan sila.
Yes. And I just want to add before I forgot. Some scenes here are some kind of a sensual and then not applicable for young ones, especially the both of you. You know what? I advise you, I'm being some kind of this advanced thinking. I can make this to catch up with you guys, the both of you. So please don't make boyfriends as early as you can. Do not make that. Study first and don't do the premarital sex. I'm some kind of I don't know. I'm not disappointed, but it's part of their movie. But I think they shouldn't carry it out, and they should not include those. Guys, I'm not being a spoiler. I don't want to be a spoiler alert, but there's this not applicable for young ones, especially the children. And I've seen some children here inside the movie house. I think they shouldn't allow it to watch it. And the parents shouldn't tell the ticket seller or the ticket booth that no one will gonna take care of our children. That's why we brought us there. So I don't think that is a valid reason. So guys and girls, I'm back on you. Do not do that kind of thing that the lovers doing that, even though they have this they do like it and they do agree with that, making love scenes. So please don't do that, okay? Even though when that time comes, the both of you will have somebody to care, somebody to love, somebody to cling on you want to make boyfriends or what. Please do not give up your virginity. Sorry guys for this term. I don't want to be some kind of malicious or what, but please do not give your bataan, okay? So sorry to say guys, I'm just being direct to the point. So Dora and Ambembe, please be careful with yourselves, okay? Especially when the right time comes, you will be having a special someone. Okay, you know what to do. Either they want to force you, they want to trick you. Do not give your that kind of thing, okay? And so, okay, so just make it short. And then I'll be back with you, finalist number 4. You have a very good answer. And then how about you, finalist number 1? What can you say about the movie? Finally, hold on. Finalist number 3, be ready for yourself. Okay?
Kasi sa ngayon, si Denyan, ang mga kabataan na ngayon,
Please louder your voice.
bili-bili na ngayon ng mga kabataan. Pero dapat, yung pinakita ninyo dapat kung gagawin. Dapat medyo mature ka na bago mo gawin ang mga bagay na yun. Kasi mga bata pa, hindi ka nagtatakot pa. Kaya, tama yung mga bata dapat hindi pa papasukin dito sa ganito. Kasi ano sila eh, natikita na sila kumuha ng gano'n.
Yeah.
Susubukan nila yun. Baka pwede mo sa group. Gano'n kaya dapat
Please louder your voice.
dapat pag nangialaw ng mga kabataan na pumasok, mga bata, mga
Actually, they informed us yesterday that even though it's they allow children, but it's not really meant for children. But I think it's their discretion and it's parents' decision. So we cannot blame the ticketing for that kind of matter. Yeah, I understand, but we have to blame other parents for that, not the cinemas, because yeah. Anyway, so let's go back to our main topic. So what can you say about the movie finals number 1?
Hindi kasi nga, dapat ang mga magulang, hindi dapat talaga isasama ang mga bata.
No, you already said that. What I'm trying to say about the movie, what can you say about the movie?
Parang educational din siya. At saka, yung malalaman mo dapat mong gawin.
Yes.
Yung mamalita.
So I'll be back with you, Miss Finalist number 1. And then the last but not the least, how about you, Finalist number 3? Yes, strike a pose. So what can you say about the movie? You're being happy.
Dapat mature na ang pagtingin sa TV.
Oh, so sweet. Come on, be serious.
Gayahin yung nanonood dun sa TV.
Yes, aside from that, they already said that. We already said that. On your own thinking, on your own opinion, on your own remarks, what can you say about the movie? Okay, let's be direct to the point. Anong natutunan mo sa pelikula?
Tawag ko po ay mag-give up of your loved ones.
Very good.
Your dreams.
Wow, love it.
And then, tinutunan ko ay pagmahal mo, ipaglaban mo.
And how about you? Finalist number 2. You only had few words that you have said a while ago. So you can add. Remember guys and gals, once you can say it on English, say it on Tagalog, okay? Take it away, finalist number 2.
Kailan ako tig...
Let's go, guys!
I'm winner.
No, you can still add. What can you say about the movie you are being in love again?
Dapat... Kung abo na, hindi na pagpirito.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang.
Okay.